All right.
All right. Yeah, Daniel. Oh. Yeah, Daniel.
Oh, whoever next time is the rest. Well, then she wants lines.
She just walked backwards now.
I sound like a monkey.
He's second place.
Hey, second place is still a place.
You're so cute, Daniel. All right.
All right. Who's the rest? Judy? Does the ball touch my cattle?
You did too. Cattle?
No, he didn't touch it.
See? It's on the camera.
Gosh, make me get out.
No, I want to get out because I'm tired. I just want to get this game on the road. I didn't want to tell you you suck until you suck.
You started recording this long ago.
You suck.